Hello friends, welcome to Code Meta channel. In this video, we will talk about ETA full form. What is the full form of ETA? ETA is a estimated time of arrival. This is the date and time at which person or object is expected to arrive at the final destination. For example, someone is traveling from one city to another city, and at that time you can ask for ETA for destination. If we talk about other full form of ETA, then you can call these full form or use these full form. You can pause the video and note it down all full form of ETA as estimated time of arrival, second is estimated time available, estimated time of analysis, like this. You can note it down in your book and prepare for GK question and answer exams. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe the Code Meta channel by clicking subscribe button and get more videos from us. See you in next video. Bye bye.